Assalamualaikum KG1 class. Hope so you all are fine. Let's begin today's lesson. Today our topic is match the same pictures. So first of all of you take your pencil and complete the task of matching with me. Okay students, let's start. The first picture is apple. This is an apple. Let's see where is the second picture of apple. Here is the second picture of apple which is similar to it. Now we will match the apple with the same picture like this. The second picture is ball. This is a ball. Let's see where is the second picture of ball. Here is the second picture of ball which is similar to it. Now we will match the ball with the same picture like this. This is a cat. This is a cat. Let's see where is the second picture of cat. Here is the second picture of cat which is similar to it. Now we will match the cat with the same picture like this. This is a dog. This is a dog. Let's see where is the second picture of dog. Here is the second picture of dog which is similar to it. Now we will match the dog with the same picture like this. This is an egg. This is an egg. Let's see where is the second picture of egg. Here is the second picture of egg which is similar to it. Now we will match the egg with the same picture like this. This is a fan. This is a fan. Let's see where is the second picture of fan. Here is the second picture of fan which is similar to it. Now we will match the fan with the same picture like this. These are grapes. These are grapes. Let's see where is the second picture of grapes. Here is the second picture of grapes which is similar to it. Now we will match the grapes with the same picture like this. This is a hat. This is a hat. Let's see where is the second picture of hat. Here is the second picture of hat which is similar to it. Now we will match the hat with the same picture like this. This is an ice cream. This is an ice cream. Let's see where is the second picture of ice cream. Here is the second picture of ice cream which is similar to it. Now we will match the ice cream with the same picture like this. This is a jug. This is a jug. Okay students, let's see where is the second picture of jug. Here is the second picture of jug which is similar to it. Now we will match the jug with the same picture like this. This is a key. This is a key. Let's see where is the second picture of key. Here is the second picture of key which is similar to it. Now we will match the key with the same picture like this. These are legs. Let's see where is the second picture of legs. Here is the second picture of legs which is similar to it. Now we will match the legs with the same picture like this. This is a mango. This is a mango. Let's see where is the second picture of mango. Here is the second picture of mango which is similar to it. Now we will match the mango with the same picture like this. This is a net. This is a net. Let's see where is the second picture of net. Here is the second picture of net which is similar to it. Now we will match the net with the same picture like this. This is an owl. This is an owl. Let's see where is the second picture of owl. Here is the second picture of owl which is similar to it. Now we will match the owl with the same picture like this. This is a pen. This is a pen. Let's see where is the second picture of pen. Here is the second picture of pen which is similar to it. Now we will match the pen with the same picture like this. This is a coin. This is a coin. Let's see where is the second picture of coin. Here is the second picture of coin which is similar to it. Now we will match the coin with the same picture. This is a rat. This is a rat. Let's see where is the second picture of rat. Here is the second picture of rat which is similar to it. Now we will match the rat with the same picture like this. Okay students, it is our today lesson. I hope you have understand it. Goodbye students.